Hello friends, welcome to BSc Agriculture. If you are coming to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video, we are going to see about fundamentals of soil change. I am going to cover the topic rocks. So I am going to give a short intro about the rocks. So the rocks are said to be the material which are said to be formed from the essential solid earth crust, and while saying about the characteristics or else about the formation of rocks, they are said to be the molten materials which are said to be known as the magma. So which is nothing but the volcanic eruptions, and rocks are said to be known as a hot mass of minerals which used to comprise one or more rock forming minerals. So I am going to even tell about the rocks. So while seeing about the study of the rocks, the study which deals with the description of the rocks, so about its characters, chemical nature, is said to be known as petrology, as well as once you use to study or deals with the origin of the rocks, it is said to be known as petrogenesis. So please remember it. And while after seeing that, we are going to see about the different formation of rocks. So while seeing about the formation of rocks, there are said to be three different formation of rocks. So the first one is primary rocks, and the second is secondary rocks, and the third is metamorphic rocks. So the primary rocks, which are also known as igneous rocks, so these are the rocks which are said to be cooling and the condensation of molten magma which is occurred on the surface of the earth. And secondary rocks are said to be the transportation as well as the sedimentation of primary rocks which leads to the formation of secondary rocks as well as sedimentary rocks. And metamorphic rocks, so metamorphic rocks are which are differed as well as the alteration of both primary as well as secondary rocks by the environmental factor over years. So the climatic changes which is used to make the alteration of rocks. So while seeing about clean vision of igneous rocks, so these igneous rocks are said to be known as the first formed rocks in the earth crust, so which are said to be done by the solidification of molten magma. So based on the modes of formation, they are said to be even classified into extrusive rocks as well as intrusive rocks. So the igneous rocks are granite, syenite, diorite, gabbro, dolomite as well as basalt. So these are the igneous rocks. So first I am going to tell about the extrusive rocks. So the extrusive rocks, which are said to be also known as volcanic rocks. So these are the rocks which are said to be found in the upper surface of the earth. So they are said to be these rocks are formed due to the consolidation as well as the cooling of molten magma on the surface of earth. Example, basalt. And intrusive rocks, so these are rocks which are said to be produced from the solidification of magma below the earth's surface. So these intrusive rocks are also known as plutonic intrusive rocks, which are said to be solidified greater depth. So based on the hypobasal rock solidifies at shallow depth on the surface, the plutonic intrusive rocks are said to be formed. Example, granite, syenite, diorite, gabbro, and some other rocks. So even though these intrusive rocks also have some different formation, so the rocks with vertical cracks are said to be called as dukes, as well as the horizontal cracks are said to be known as the sills. And after the sedimentary rocks, so which are said to be the second type as well as secondary rocks, they also have other name known as the clastic rocks. So these are the rocks which are said to be formed due to the consolidation of sedimented and accumulated through wind or water action of transportation of the primary rocks. So while during the transportation process, they used to have some of the chemical changes occurs in these rocks. So based on the transportation of primary rocks, the sedimentary rocks are said to be formed. So these are also known as secondary rocks. Based on the origin as well as the sedimentary rocks are classified into residual as well as transported. So the residual type of rock is example laterite, as well as the transported type of secondary rocks are sandstone, shale, limestone, ironstone, peat, etc. And the final one, which is the third one, as well as metamorphic rock. So these are the rocks which are said to be formed from igneous primary rocks as well as sedimentary rocks, which are also known as secondary rocks. So I have already mentioned you the metamorphic rocks or the alteration as well or else the changes made in the primary and secondary rocks by the influence of environmental characteristics such as heat, pressure, and chemically active gases. So these metamorphic rocks are nothing but the alteration of both primary and secondary rocks. So for example, the changes happened in the solid rocks due to water is known as hydrometamorphosis, as well as due to pressure is known as dynamo metamorphosis. So it is how the metamorphic rocks are said to be formed, and I have given the lecture notes in description. So please comment about the video and join us in the Instagram page. If you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to BSc Agriculture and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. So thanks for watching the video. I'll catch up next videos.